Today, we will be doing a Pinnakle review and demo walkthrough. Pinnakle is the world's first and only application for siphoning fresh buyer traffic from the 2021 big tech experiment. Pinnakle is a groundbreaking buyer traffic software that allows you to get lots of traffic and make lots of sales from a new and secret traffic experiment. Before we get started with the review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Pinnakle review and demo walkthrough.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Pinnakle demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the software. So this is the login page and you need to log into your account using your email and password. So I'm going to log into my account and let's see how it works. Okay, so I have successfully logged into my account and you can see the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard and you will get a complete overview of your application in your dashboard. So you can see that how many channels you have. You can see the comment number, subscription number, published date, schedule, and your keyword ranks, popular playlist based videos, and the latest comment replay. So you will get a complete overview of your application here. And after logging to your account, the first thing you need to do is you need to set up your Google app settings. So let's go to the Google app settings. So you can see that I have already set up my Google app settings. Here is this, and if you want to set up your Google app settings, you can follow our instruction video because we have already created a separate video on this. So you can see that we have successfully set up our Google app settings, and after that you have to import your channels. So let's go to the import channels section. You can see that we have already imported our YouTube channel, so you can also import your own YouTube channel. You just need to follow our instruction video, so don't worry about it. We have already created a separate video on this. So after set up your Google app settings and imported your channel, you just need to go to the TikTok video maker. From here you will find all kind of TikTok videos. So before you're going to use any video, we recommend you to check the legal terms of uses. So you just need to click here and open it in a tab. So read it before using any TikTok video. You will find the trending TikTok videos. You can search video manually, or you can find the popular video, you can find the latest video, you can find the celebrities video, or you can find videos by using hashtags, or you can find the music video. So let's select on video and let's see how it works. Before selecting any video, you can preview the video. You just need to click on the I button, or if you want to work with the video, you just need to click the pencil button. So let's click here, and it will open in a new tab on your browser, and here you can see the editing page. So here are the tools in the left sidebar, so you can use the tools and edit the videos as per your own choices. We'll talk in details about these tools in our training video. After creating your video, you just need to go back to the application, and from the channel manager you can upload the video to your YouTube channel. After that you just need to go to the template manager. From here you can create campaign for your auto replay and auto comment template. So if you want to create campaign of your auto replay, so you just need to click on action, and from here you can create campaign. So we'll talk in details about in our training video. Let's go to the search engine section. From here you can use these useful tools. You can search any video and you can see results here. You can search any channels and see the results here. You can search for playlist, so you can use this useful tool. And this is the keyword finder. So if you need any videos keyword, you just need to put here the video ID and you just need to click the search button. If you don't know what is the video ID is, you just need to click here and you can see that the video ID is here. So let's see how the keyword finder works. Let's go to the YouTube and select a video. So we're going to select this video, and this is the video ID. And let's put the video ID here and let's click on search. So you can see that this is the video and this is the keyword of this video, so we can easily find any video's keyword by using this awesome tool. And after this we can see the auto replay section. So this is similar like the template manager, and after that you can see the rank tracking section. From here you can create campaign to keep track of your channel's video, and after that you can see the link wheel. So you can create your video link wheel from here. You can create campaigns, and after that you can see the training section. So from here you will find the training section. So that is all about this quick demo video, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching this Pinnakle review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Pinnakle, click the link in the description below.